artists! Welcome back to another amazing adventure with the Saja Boys from Huntrix. In this video, we'll draw and color every member of the team. Jinu, Abby Saja, Baby Saja, Romance Saja, and Mystery Saja. Each one of them has a unique style and personality. Jinu's brave heart, Abby's cheerful energy, Baby Saja's playful smile, Romance Saja's charm, and Mystery Saja's calm and powerful aura. Follow my lines as we bring them all to life, one by one. Take your time, enjoy the colors, and feel free to use any art tools you like, because every artist's touch makes the story even more special. Now, let's get started and make the Saja Boys shine together. And that's our full Saja Boys drawing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps me a lot and makes me super happy. Subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next K-pop Demon Hunters adventure. You can also find all the other Huntrix heroes in my channel playlist, each with their own story and style waiting to be drawn. See you in the next fun drawing. Bye-bye.